Hello guys, how you doing today? So I have a 2016 Acura MPX. Pretty much gonna show you today how to manually do a alternator test and to make sure like your alternator is running good. We'll show you how to do like a alternator test. So if you don't have the tool to install like in between like a battery to check if your alternator is working. So now I'm pretty much gonna try to do it like a manual. So to do the test, you first thing you're gonna have to do is like you locate like the battery. This is like the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, either one, because we're gonna have to start the vehicle and remove one born of the battery and to make sure like the car is still running. If when you're doing that, so when you start the vehicle, you remove one part of the battery, the car is still running, that's when your alternator is good. But if when you're doing that, the car shut down, that's when you have the problem with the alternator. The alternator is not working because it's not supposed to shut down. I mean, nowadays, we have like a new vehicle, which is like they have like a lot of issues. They have two batteries, so you can do that. You can do that test like with the new vehicles. Right now we are 2024, so you can do that. Most of the 2024-25 because there's like a more sophisticated like computers like involved, so you can do that. But from the old vehicle like 2018 down to 2000, from 2018 going down, so you still could do the alternator test manually. So let's go inside the vehicle and start the vehicle. Okay, now you could hear like the car is running right now. So what we'll have to do, we have to remove one of the battery to make sure the car is still running. Okay. This one, and you get it loose, and then you gotta take it off. Okay, I removed the bone of the battery, so the car is still running. The car is not shut down. You can hear the car is not shut down. That means your alternator is good, and you could install it. Nothing gonna be reset. The vehicle gonna sit intact because the alternator is good. So once you're done, you cut them down, and I think that's all, guys. That's a manually like the best way to check your alternator to make sure like it's working. If like the alternator doesn't have like an internal which is like a voltage drop problem, so that's a way to pretty much checking it. Okay, see you around for another video. Bye.